4th grade, 5th grade, first hour. So the wonder truth this week is the Holy Spirit helps and guides us. So curiosity, you're going to ask the question is, when have you been to a new place for the first time? And we're going to be just talking about how the Holy Spirit is with us. And I think we should do the song, Ask, Seek, and Knock, because our activity game is them working on filling this out. So they have to work with each other and find people that are that'll play rock, paper, scissors with them, and whoever wins signs there. And they're going to go around and they're going to ask and they're going to seek. And when they're done filling in this page, they'll go and sit down and wait patiently for everybody to finish. And you'll realize that you haven't knocked. So they will knock and they will get a treat. You've got Airheads, a little small candy for each of the kids. But yeah, so the connection is that as when you ask your friends for help during the scavenger hunt, they helped you, and God cares for us and gives us the Holy Spirit to help us and guide us. So they ask, seek, and then knock. So as you are asking and seeking, maybe put somebody out behind that door, and when everybody's sitting down, have somebody go stand there knocking, and that person can come in with the Airheads. So a little treat. So then when you do the Bible verse, what I'm having you guys do, because it's a little bit of a longer verse, but it's such a good verse for our kids to know, as is all the Bible verses. But maybe they could work in small groups and create actions for the Bible verse. They might have done that last week, but they can work on getting that Bible verse memorized. So when you come to tell the story, you've got a lab coat, some goggles, and green food coloring, and just the intensity of adding the drops a little at a time, and you start seeing a difference and a bigger difference and a bigger difference. So the Holy Spirit, as we walk with him and learn from him, we become more and more and more like him. So the thing that's going to be hard, Haley, is all of the little black screens. And so I'm going to go play with my phone and see if I can get the pictures up on the screen for you so that you can use this. So I'll work on that, and I'll let you know what I find out tomorrow. So here's all your supplies for telling the story. And then the identity part, there's not an activity, but we're going to be teaching kids about the breath prayer. And a lot of times I'll talk about breathing in and holding and breathing out. And so the breath prayer, you can read through this. Another thing that I do that's slightly different is, like, when I'm feeling anxious, I'll breathe in God's peace and hold that, and breathe out my fear. I'll just say I release my fear and breathe in his peace. So that's another kind of breath prayer. So I'm going to go work on getting those screens up on those slides up on the screen for you, and I'll let you know about that tomorrow.